Sri Guru Namaha, Sri Acharya Guru Namaha. Welcome to my Mridanga video series episode number 1790. Here presenting interesting pattern of Mora Mukta Bugapu in Mr. Jati Jempadaram. This Mora set to 120 Kriyas and Mukta set to 40 Kriyas each. Hope you'll enjoy my non-stop video series. Some varieties of Mora Mukta and Mugumbis and various talas without repeating any idea pattern so far since last 1789 days non-stop. You can log on to my YouTube channel, Dr. P. Srinivas Gopalan, to find in all my videos that let me demonstrate it as Mora for you.